Hello. Welcome back. We're doing a video, an unboxing video with stuff that I ordered from GameStop. We're going to be remodeling my setup. I'm literally just cleaning my desk, that's it. Where I usually play my games. So the first box, I already opened it because I was really excited. So the first thing I got was a Minecraft notch apple light, and it was really cheap. It was like, I don't know, like, oh, well, I just ripped it. I don't know, it was pretty cheap. This is how it looks. This is pretty cool. I think all I need is like batteries. Yeah, all I need are batteries. So like, that's the first thing I have. And then, I got this box. I don't know why it's so big. I only got like 3 things. Hold on, let me go get some. Cut it. Yeah, and plus the picture of the light looks super small, so I don't know why it's so big. All this packing for the, oh wait, oh. We got our Overwatch light. It's huge. You can't really tell, but it turns on. And then I got Minion keychains. Alright, so change of setting. So with my notch apple, all I need are batteries, so that's good. Oh no. I got the wrong screwdriver. Yeah, I got the wrong screwdriver. I'll be right back. Alright, I finally got the right screwdriver. So we'll open it up. Yay! Okay. Oh wait, the... So I got the batteries, they're AA, I think. Okay, these take AAA. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't even think I have any AAA batteries, so now it's just gonna be this, not a light. Yay for me. Alright, hopefully these take AA batteries, because now they're just... Okay, well... What the heck? Have you guys ever had this on your... Am I supposed to disconnect it? I don't know. Oh, these take batteries. Okay, let's see what kind of batteries they take. Oh wait, this is too small now. The screwdriver? Oh. Okay, the screwdriver that I got is too small for it now. Oh. No. Wait, JK. Just kidding. I got it. Alright, so I think these do take AA batteries. Okay, I don't know what they are. Yay! Yay! I honestly don't know what to do with this though. Wait, oh, wow. I just removed it, so, okay. Well, this takes 3 and I only have 2, so I'll be right back again. Alright, so this is the Overwatch Lite. This is the only one I was able to complete because I don't have AAA batteries. Oh, I don't know. I'll give you a video of it when it starts. Alright, so right here is my setup and it looks disgusting right now. I don't know, it usually doesn't look this bad, but it just looks super disgusting. Like, well, this is the whole point of the video, to make this look better. Okay, so here's my new setup now. It's a lot cleaner and it looks more, I don't know, it looks better. Here are my little minions, my little keychains that I got. They're thriving, vibing, doing everything. So here it is during the day and here it is at night. Update, we got batteries, we got AAA. Alright, so finally we can put it in our Apple and it'll glow. It'll be so beautiful. Oh, you can't, okay, you can't tell. Let me see. Yeah, you can't, oh wait, is it this side? Oh, okay, that side. Well, you're still gonna get the nighttime.